opening and close they learn.
Okay. So this one will do for all the kids, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. So actually, first, as soon as the child comes, the child takes the mat, and the teacher teaches them how to
Very soft.
spread it, how to spread it, and then sit on that. After that, they get the material, whatever they like. We don't impose them anything. They will get it. Gradually, after that, they have to keep in that place. Where the material is, they know. So they go and keep it. So this helps to, at home also, they keep the things.
That manners things will be taught.
Discipline is
Right. So body parts. Okay.
body parts. And these things will help to, this is one of the stitching way.